All right, guys, today we're going to be taking our quiz over subtracting with the change unknown. I'll read you the problems. Make sure you use one of those two strategies that we've worked on this week. You can either start a smaller number and add on to it to get to the bigger one, or you can subtract the two numbers. Miss Clark had 65 beads in a box. Rachel spilled the beads and she found 31 of them. How many beads were lost? So she had 65, she spilled some, and then she was able to find 31 of them. Number 2, Jonathan counted 32 people on the bus. After some people got off the bus, Jonathan counted again. Then there were 21 people on the bus. How many people got off the bus? Number 3, at the last basketball game, the cheerleaders had a box of 25 toy basketballs. They threw some of the balls out into the crowd. They had 7 balls left over in the box. How many basketballs did the cheerleaders throw into the crowd? Number 4, there were 35 airplanes at the airport. Some of the airplanes flew away. Now there are 12 airplanes left at the airport. How many airplanes flew away? Number 5, Jude had 29 baseball cards. He gave Sophia some of his baseball cards. Now Jude has 19 cards left. How many cards did Jude give to Sophia? Number 6, Marcus had 41 pennies. He gave some pennies to his brother. Now Marcus has 31 pennies left. How many pennies did Marcus give to his brother? Number 7, there were 33 people at Mark's basketball game. Some people left at halftime. Now there are 12 people at his game. How many people left during halftime? Number 8, Callie had 16 buttons in her sewing kit. She used some of the buttons to fix her shirt. Now she has 9 buttons left. How many buttons did Callie use to fix her shirt? Number 9, Tyra had $35 to spend on clothes. After buying a hat, she had $16 left. How much did she spend on the hat? Number 10, when the bookstore opened, there were 56 copies of a new book. The store sold some of the copies of the book. When it closed, there were 14 copies left. How many copies of the book did the store sell? Number 11, Kirk had 62 feet of rope. He used some of the rope to make a clothesline. Now he has 28 feet of rope left. How much rope did Kirk use to make the clothesline? Number 12, there were 23 people fishing at the lake. At noon, some of them left. Then there were only 10 people still fishing. How many people left at noon? Number 13, there were 37 birds for sale at the pet shop. On Saturday, some of the birds were sold. After that, there were 28 birds left. How many birds did the pet shop sell? Number 14, Miss Duvall got 59 new books in the library today. She checked some of them out to students. Now she has 37 of the books left. How many books did she check out to students? Number 15, Fabian got 46 cubes out of a box. He used some of the cubes to build a shape. After he built the shape, he had 17 cubes left. How many cubes did he use to build the shape? Number 16, on Monday, Mr. Elrod had 42 stickers. He gave out many stickers during the week, and at the end of the week, he only had 2 stickers left. How many stickers did he give out during the week? Number 17, the zoo has 63 carrots to feed the animals. After feeding time, there were 28 carrots left. How many carrots did they feed the animals? Number 18, a truck was carrying 44 boxes. The truck hit a bump and some boxes fell out. The driver counted 32 boxes on the truck after the bump. How many boxes fell out? Number 19, there were 35 sheep in the barn. Some of the sheep were let out in the field to eat grass. Now there are 21 sheep in the barn. How many sheep were let into the field to eat grass? And number 20, the school supply store had 51 backpacks. Many of them were sold during back-to-school shopping. Now there are 23 backpacks left. How many backpacks did they sell? All right, remember, you're using one of those two strategies that we worked on. Make sure you go back and check your work when you're finished.